and then just tap backup now. Wait for a few seconds until it's over, and now just tap done, and that's all. Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to backup and restore your personal data on Samsung Galaxy phones. So to do it you need to go on your phone to settings, and here we have accounts and backup. Tap on it, and here are two kinds of backup. You can do it on Samsung Cloud and also on Google Drive. In this video we'll talk about the Samsung Cloud. And to do a backup, you need to have a Samsung account installed on this phone. Then just tap on backup data, and here just select what do you want to backup. Let's say contacts, apps, messages, call logs, and calendar. Okay. And now also here we have auto backup while roaming. If you want, you can enable these options, only if you want. And then just tap backup now. Wait for a few seconds until it's over. And now just tap done, and that's all. Now I will go back, and here we have also restore data. So if you do a reset or you change your phone, you can restore your personal data from here. On the new phone, you need to install the Samsung account, and then tap restore data. This is the backup. Just tap on it, and now select what do you want to restore it on your phone, and then tap restore, and that's all. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.